Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you the best way to make money online by simply watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard that right, you can actually get paid to watch YouTube videos. I know it sounds too good to be true, but it's not. In fact, it's a legitimate way to make money online in 2023. So, in this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about this method, including how it works, how to get started, and how much money you can make. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, how does this method work? Well, there are several websites and apps that pay you to watch YouTube videos. These websites and apps are called paid-to-watch sites, and they work by paying you a certain amount of money for every video that you watch. Now, I know what you're thinking, how much money can I really make by watching YouTube videos? The answer is that it varies, but you can make anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars per video, depending on the site and the length of the video. Now, let's talk about how to get started. The first thing you need to do is find a reputable paid-to-watch site. There are plenty of these sites out there, but not all of them are legit. Some of them may try to scam you or not pay you the money you've earned. So, it's important to do your research and find a site that has a good reputation and has positive reviews from other users. Once you've found a site you like, the next step is to create an account and start watching videos. Most of these sites have a wide range of videos to choose from, so you're sure to find something that interests you. The videos can range from movie trailers, product reviews, and even cute animal videos. All you have to do is watch the video, and you'll earn money for every video you watch. So, there you have it, the best way to make money online by watching YouTube videos. It's a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time, and all you have to do is watch videos. Of course, this method isn't going to make you rich overnight, but it's a nice little earner that you can use to supplement your income. So, if you're interested in trying out this method, make sure to do your research and find a reputable paid-to-watch site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.